Are you tired of mid-size trucks that overpromise and underdeliver? Buckle up, because today we are diving into the 2027 Chevrolet Colorado. If you've been waiting for a pickup that perfectly balances daily driver comfort with mud-slinging off-road attitude, this might be your next ride. From a turbocharged powerhouse under the hood to an off-road variant rolling on massive 35-inch tires, Chevy is bringing serious heat to the segment. Stick around, because you don't want to miss what the ultimate Bison trim can do. Let's kick things off with the setup. For 2027, Chevy keeps things pleasantly simple. The Colorado is exclusively available as a crew cab with a 5-foot bed. No confusing cab configurations, just a solid, practical footprint. Whether you need a reliable workhorse or a weekend warrior to haul your dirt bikes, there is a trim with your name on it. Pricing kicks off at a reasonable $34,495 for entry-level models and climbs up to $62,795 if you want all the top-tier hardcore off-road hardware. So, what is pushing this truck down the road? Under the hood of every 2027 Colorado is a beastly 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Don't let the cylinder count fool you. This power plant punches out 310 horsepower. That is more raw muscle than you'll find in heavy hitters like the Jeep Gladiator, Honda Ridgeline, or the non-hybrid Toyota Tacoma. Power is managed by a confident 8-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive comes standard on base trims, but if you deal with rough weather, 4-wheel drive is widely available and highly recommended. Let's talk about where the Colorado gets really interesting. The trims. The work truck and LT are your everyday heroes. Rocking an open rear differential perfect for daily commuting. Want to dial up the fun? Step up to the Trail Boss or Z71 for a limited slip rear differential, giving you way more control on sketchy terrain. Enter the ZR2. This off-road star features upgraded Multimatic DSSV dampers mounted outside the frame for insane suspension travel, plus power-locking front and rear diffs. But if you want a literal monster, look at the ZR2 Bison. This ultimate beast rides on factory 35-inch tires, the biggest in its class. With a staggering 12.2 inches of ground clearance and hydraulic bump stops, the Bison is built for places where roads simply do not exist. Think all that off-road focus ruins its truck abilities? Think again. The Colorado flexes a class-leading max tow rating of 7,700 pounds. Even the heavier ZR2 models can pull 6,000 pounds, plenty for your boat or camper. Inside the cabin, it's a perfect blend of rugged functionality and modern tech. Your command center features a crisp 11-inch digital gauge cluster and an 11.3-inch touchscreen with Google built-in, plus standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If you love bumping tunes on the trail, you can even upgrade to a premium 7-speaker Bose audio setup. Out back, Chevy included a genius lockable storage box built right into the tailgate. Add in standard automated emergency braking and an optional 360-degree camera with hitch view, and towing becomes a breeze. The 2027 Chevy Colorado proves you don't need a full-size truck to get massive capability. Which trim are you taking home? The daily-ready LT or the unstoppable ZR2 Bison? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.